Over this series, you've learned about resits, T-levels, BTECs and apprenticeships. That's a lot of information, and if you're now feeling more overwhelmed than when you started, that's completely normal. Today, we fix that. This isn't another pathway to learn about. This is the tool that helps you actually choose between everything you've already learned. Before we get into the framework, a quick reassurance for everyone watching in England. Under Section 2 of the Education and Skills Act 2008, you're legally required to participate in some form of education or training until you're 18. Now, that doesn't mean staying in a classroom you hate. It can be college, an apprenticeship, or full-time work, provided that work comes with accredited training alongside it. Essentially, it means you can't fall through the cracks. The law ensures you're building towards a qualification, no matter which path you choose. Quick note if you're watching this outside England, the rules are different. The leaving age is 16 in Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland, so check your local guidance. The point is this: whatever you decide today, the system is designed to keep you moving forward. There is no version of this decision where you're left with nothing. Here are the 3 questions to actually ask yourself. Do you do your best work under timed exam pressure or through ongoing coursework and projects? If it's exams, A-levels or T-levels suit you. If it's coursework, BTECs lean heavily that way. Do you want to stay purely in education, or would getting paid while you train genuinely change your situation? If earning matters, an apprenticeship deserves serious consideration. Do you already know exactly what you want to do, or do you want to keep options as open as possible? A-levels keep doors open longest. BTECs offer a brilliant middle ground, giving you industry focus whilst keeping the university route open. And T-levels or apprenticeships are perfect if you already know your exact direction. Be honest with yourself answering these. There's no impressive answer here, only the one that's actually true for you. Drop your answers to those 3 questions in the comments. I genuinely love to see which pathway they point you toward. And if this series helped clear the fog even a little, hit that like button. Whichever path you land on, A-levels, T-levels, BTECs, or an apprenticeship, you're not locked in forever, and you're not behind anyone else. And if you want a refresher on any of these, the A-level series and every video in this alternative pathway series are right here on the channel. Go back and re-watch whichever one applies to you. Keep your head up, trust the process, and remember, you control your own path. You've got this.